racing in the Bronx, Brooklyn, and Manhattan are up more than 1,000% from just 5 years ago. Videos of drag racing, donuts, and what's called swimming, where drivers weave through traffic at high speeds.
Make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy Scrim, you can bet he drive no cars. I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a mask and some gloves. Getaway striker, 2 guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. There's a high-speed chase, I'ma bring it home, trust. Creep in the driveway, gotta hop over gates. Got the crib for a week, they always go to sleep late. Sneak in the crib, grab the keys and we skate. Grab the new GLS and an Audi R8. Can't make keys, if you lose them then it's fried. Dump them in the river, gotta find another ride. I just pulled out the tracker of an RS5. I like to go out of town cause there's far less crime. Mopars are easiest, the Benzos is hard. GLES stole the keys from your mom. Once you yank out the tracker, switch your plates and you're gone. I got the drop on a crib that got an RS Avant. Ride around the city just waiting for a sign. See the blue Bentayga just cruising, that's mine. Stalked him from Greenpoint to Lexington 39th. I watch him walk in the deli as I got in my ride. Crash dummies, we can take your car at the light. Point a gun in the window, no we don't like to fight. Get the fuck out, I need the keys, not your life. If you try to move funny, get smacked with a pipe. Punch him in the V, if it's fire, check the registration. Now you got all the necessary information. If the car comes from a plug, take his vegetation. If you get knocked, no explanation. 95 cop, I got the keys from a car wash. I saw the red guts, got a hard on. Fuck the keys, let's bounce if the car's on. I turned that shit off, now the car's gone. Bro, make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy Scrim, you can bet he drive no cars. I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a mask and some gloves. Getaway striker, 2 guys can be enough.